From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Thursday and happy Easter to all those who celebrate. I'm student meteorologist Chris Meyer here with your Thursday afternoon forecast. Taking a look at the Arboretum, we can see that we have very gloomy conditions across the region with temperatures approaching the mid-40s. Taking a look at the rest of the state, we can see that we have temperatures around the high 40s with some 50s as we get to the southern part of the state. Looking at the temperatures across the country, we can see that we have a ridge of high temperatures with 72 in Omaha right now. Taking a look at the temperatures compared to yesterday, we can see that we have a very oh my god, okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Thursday and happy Easter to all those who celebrate. I'm student meteorologist Chris Meyer here with your Thursday afternoon forecast. Taking a look at the Arboretum, we can see that we have very gloomy conditions across the region with temperatures around 46 degrees. Looking at the temperatures across the state, we can see that we have temperatures in the high 40s for most of the state, with temperatures in the 50s as we get towards the southern parts of the state. Looking at the rest of the country, we can see some higher temperatures as we get into the Midwest with a ridge of high pressure bringing warm temperatures to places like Omaha. Looking at the temperatures compared to yesterday, we can see that we have warmer temperatures than we had yesterday, especially across the northwest part of the state, with temperatures there being around 10 degrees warmer than average. Taking a look at the future radar, we can see that we have very calm conditions right now, but as we get into the future hours and into tomorrow, we can see winds picking up a lot, with wind speeds in Erie being up to 52 miles per hour. Crazy. And then as we continue, we can expect those high wind conditions to continue through the majority of the state for most of Friday. Looking at the future radar, we can see clear conditions are expected to stick around until the early morning hours on Friday, where we can expect some scattered showers across the region. And then as we go into Saturday, we can see a line of storms hit the southwestern part of the state and work their way across the state. Lines of storms expected to train through the state as we go into Saturday. And we actually have a marginal risk for severe weather in the southwestern part of the state for areas like Pittsburgh and Johnstown as we look into Saturday, with the main threat being damaging wind. Taking a look at the future temperature outlook, we can expect conditions to warm across the state as we go into Saturday, with temperatures in Pittsburgh and in Philadelphia approaching near the 80s for the first time in a long time. And then as we get into Sunday and as the storms pass by, we can expect a slight cool off of temperatures, with temperatures being in the 60s. Today we can expect a high of 58 with plentiful sunshine outside. It is an absolutely beautiful day outside. I was outside earlier today. It was amazing. I highly recommend you go outside if you haven't been already. Taking a look at temperatures tonight, we can expect partly cloudy skies with a cool 39 degrees. Tomorrow we can expect warmer temperatures with highs in the 70s, much warmer with winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. And looking at the 7-day forecast, we can expect some cooler temperatures tonight with warming conditions on Friday and Saturday, and then temperatures tapering off slightly as we get into Sunday, Monday, and into the early part of the week. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Chris Meyer. Have a good day.